Creating compelling videos doesn't have to be a laborious, time-consuming process filled with intricate edits and flashy effects. In fact, the key to success lies in simplicity and substance. Many content creators get caught up in the idea that they need hours of intricate editing, annoying sound effects, or seamless transitions to make their videos stand out. However, I've discovered a straightforward approach to video editing that can rapidly boost your channel's growth. Pay close attention, because this method can truly transform your content and elevate your channel to new heights. Let's start by challenging a commonly held belief in the YouTube community: the notion that high viewer retention rates are the holy grail of success. Contrary to popular opinion, I've had videos with less than a 30% retention rate amass over 20,000 views. On the flip side, videos with retention rates exceeding 60% barely garnered any attention. The reality is that viewer retention is a peculiar metric. What truly matters is the content's topic. Think about it this way: if you were a viewer, would you rather watch a random person playing Minecraft, or a video offering a solution to a problem you desperately want to solve? The latter option is undoubtedly more appealing. The key, therefore, lies in selecting a video topic that captivates your audience. A topic that challenges their beliefs, presents controversial ideas, or offers a too-good-to-be-true solution. Understand what viewers desire and cater to those needs. Now let's delve into the editing process, which is akin to building a house. The foundation of any video is a compelling script. Spend the majority of your time crafting the first 10 to 20 seconds of your script. In our fast-paced digital age, viewers have incredibly short attention spans. If your video doesn't immediately capture their interest, they'll swiftly click away. This initial portion of your script is make or break. It must grab the viewer's attention and compel them to keep watching. When writing your script, infuse it with passion and authenticity. Avoid a dry, academic tone. Instead, write as if you're conversing with a close friend. Be yourself. Your script sets the stage for your video, and your genuine enthusiasm will resonate with your audience. Confidence is key, especially when it comes to recording your voiceover. It's natural to feel shy or insecure about your voice, but that shouldn't deter you. Confidence transforms your delivery and makes your content more engaging. Speak with conviction. Let your words resonate and leave an impact. Remember, your unique voice is your asset. It adds character to your videos. As you progress to the editing phase, focus on incorporating visuals strategically. Intersperse your video with images, videos, or GIFs every 3 to 5 seconds, preferably highlighting keywords or concepts from your script. Visual elements provide context and enhance understanding. Don't rely solely on generic stock footage that viewers have seen countless times. Be creative. Seek out original imagery within your niche. Embrace the unconventional. Don't shy away from the weird and the extraordinary. When selecting visuals, prioritize uniqueness. Be bold. Use imagery that hasn't been overused by other YouTubers. Dare to be different. Viewers crave novelty. They want to see something fresh and exciting. Would you rather watch the same video every day or be greeted with something new and intriguing? The answer is evident. Embrace this principle in your content creation. As you assemble your video, consider the pacing. Break away from traditional norms. You don't have to follow a predetermined structure. Get creative. Experiment with unusual backgrounds, or leave segments black for dramatic effect. Your editing choices should complement your content's tone and message. A word of caution about sound effects. They often detract from the viewer's experience. Instead of enhancing your video, excessive sound effects can make it cumbersome and irritating. As a content creator, you have the creative freedom to decide what truly adds value to your videos. Sound effects, in many cases, might not be one of them. Once your video is edited, step into the shoes of a random viewer on YouTube. Remove your ego from the equation and objectively assess your content. Ask yourself, if I were a stranger stumbling upon this video, would I find it engaging? Would I be compelled to watch it until the end? Be ruthless in your self-evaluation. The first 10 to 20 seconds are critical, but the entire first half of the video is equally vital. Continuously refine your content until it's polished and captivating. Navigating YouTube can be challenging. The platform is competitive, and success isn't guaranteed. You might invest hours into a video, only to receive minimal views. However, the key to longevity and prosperity on YouTube isn't setting unrealistic expectations. Instead, view each video as an opportunity to improve, to refine your skills, and to connect with your audience genuinely. In summary, crafting exceptional videos boils down to understanding your audience's desires and crafting content that resonates deeply with them. It's about infusing your script with passion, delivering it with confidence, and editing it with precision. Embrace uniqueness, experiment with visuals, and focus on captivating your viewers from the first moment to the last. And that's it. If you want to know how to make viral video from start to finish, check this out.